What's up, dudes? This is your boy back again with another video, and I'm doing some work on the car once again. Here we go, another part replacement. And as you can see down here, I gotta remove that, I'm guessing that bar right there, because I'm trying to take this out. So apparently I have to take out those two bolts and then remove that bar from this side and the other side. But this is like this is my first time doing this, so we're gonna figure this out somehow. Maybe I can put a wrench through there. Yeah. So let me see my little tool. Find out what's the size. I just want to find out this. 14. Here we go. So this is and we got it. It is a 14, guys. So I'm gonna take this off and I will be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, right in the back right there, I just took out the one side. You can see it, two bolts are gone. Right here, boom, removed. Now I'm gonna go work on the other side. Like I said, this is my first time replacing this, and it's not gonna be very easy. So I'm gonna probably be out here about an hour. But let's get to it. One side we're done. Now let's go do the second, and then we're gonna start working on the rack and pen. Got it? Let's go. All right, look at the baby Integra. I got to do some work over here, guys. When I crashed it, definitely gonna cut this off and weld a new piece on. But that's another project for another day. You can see the Techie's been, it's a little dirty, going through a little bit of a rough draft. So we are eliminating the power steering today. I do have the new rack and pin over there. I have this arm I have to install on this side as well when I install that piece. And right now I'm working on getting the other that lower bar on this side. So as you can see, I had to put some gloves on, but I'm working on this part right now. This is the weirdest position now, because I got this in here with no space. So I'm just trying to see if I can. Well, let's see the other one now. I'm actually, you can't see it because my cameraman's in New York, man. He'll be back soon. But I'm gonna turn it this way, and then you can see it down here. Look, I'm trying, guys, so you guys can see. This is my first time changing one of these, so but I know it needs to be replaced because it's trashed out. But I'm gonna get these two bolts out, and then I'll come back and see and show you guys the progress that I'm at. All right, guys, I finally got the piece off. Let me see if I can get down here and show you guys. All right, I'm gonna pull it this way. I've seen somebody do this too. I had to watch a YouTube video about this, so I forgot his name. Well, I will definitely link his YouTube on the comments below, so you can go ahead and check that channel out if you need a little bit more information. He definitely described it very specifically how to remove. So once you get, I'm trying to get it out now. Let me see. Once you get this out, which I'm working on right now. Look at this. So this is my lower bar, which I'm gonna clean it before I put it back because it's kind of greasy as hell. Okay, so as soon as you get this bar out, then you're gonna have to remove. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this real quick. Oh my God. Get under here, guys. Okay. All right. There's my pump right there. Since I removed the bar, you can see it a little bit better now. It's nothing obstructing it or anything. So he said, once you remove the bar, right, you're gonna remove your exhaust right here. Well, mine has this little piece right here, which is just breaks the gap between my all my pipe in the back and my headers. I'm gonna remove these 2 bolts. There's one here and one right over here. Remove those, and it's gonna give me this space. So once I unbolt, let me see, there's one right there. There should be one somewhere in the same area but above, and then right over here somewhere there's one right there, and then one above as well. And you're gonna remove those 2, and once you get those off, then I can pull off the I can remove the racking pin and install the new one. Let's go. Oh, listen, that door doesn't open, guys. I'm still working on fixing these doorknobs. Look at this. So this one opens, but that side doesn't open. So we gotta do it from this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. All right, we got this open. So I removed this cover, which this goes to your steering column. Which once you go down here, you see that steering column right here, the neck, which connects the racking pin to your steering. So you remove that one on top. There's 2 of them, one there and one down there. And then once you remove that, then and the other bolts that I've told you, the other 4, there's 2 on that side and 2 on this side. Then you can actually pull it out and then you'll remove it. All right. The keys are in the car still. And then remove this first. We're gonna do this first. Then once we do this, we're gonna go down there, and I'll definitely show you guys which bolts are where, and that way you know and I know. All right, I'll definitely get back to you guys and let you know how it goes. All right, guys. Hot. It is humid outside, boy, but luckily it's not raining. So, as you can see, I removed this piece, which goes right in here. This is my control. It connects to the racking pin on the inside. It also has a boot, but I think you could remove it from the, you have to remove it from the other side. I'm not trying to remove the boot. I just want to replace the racking pin. So I already got this side disconnected, and this is the piece. It had 2 bolts, one lower, which this one has a washer, okay, and this is the swivel that connects to there. All right, for the upper and lower. And yeah, as soon as you remove that, you definitely want to connect this after you're done installing it from the bottom. Then you come back in here and install this. This is going to be your last, but this is I'm trying to make this my first step. Well, I made the bar my first step, and then this one my second, and then I'm gonna go on the bottom and then make my third, removing the rest of the pieces, which I still have a lot to go. But all right, so back to it. This removed, 2 bolts, bam bam, done. Now we're gonna move on to the next step, is removing the middle pipe, as I showed you earlier. We're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna go ahead and start removing the rest of the racking pin. All right, I'll see you in a few. Alrighty, guys. So where I'm at. Here we go. So, bring you guys over here. Boop, 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 boop. All right. If you can look down here, I pulled out. Let me put my hand down here. Okay, right above my hand, you can see that hose right there. I pulled the hose out of there, but the lower one is this one that goes that way, which is giving me a pain. I cannot get the hose off, so we're about to go. That's the only thing that's holding it on right now. And this control arm over here is also connected. I already removed the bolt, but I just need to just push it up and it should be out. But that hose is my main concern at the moment. It won't come out. And ooh, as you can see, it's still a little daylight, but the crickets are out and it's about 6 o'clock at the moment. So, but I did remove that side. I got all the bolts in the bottom, and I did get the bolt as you've seen in the inside. All that's left is that hose and that control arm, and it's giving me a pain right now is that hose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and I definitely got to go ahead and go to AutoZone and find an adapter for this, and then a loop, and then I'm going to install this piece. This has been a long process, but we're gonna get her nice and running properly and aligned. So I will definitely get back to you guys as soon as I get this part in. All right, see you guys in a few.
What do I have to do to make you love